What are you doing, Case?
Every time I
Are you trying to say cheese? Cheese.
I don't like it when people argue.
Can you say your first word for Mom? Say, Daddy. Daddy. You say, Daddy. Can you say it again?
I promise.
Can you say it again?
You promised.
Say, Daddy. Can you say, Daddy? You are the silliest boy. Jason.